It's story time with Matt.
The Evil Witch and the Naughty Boy. Once there was an evil witch who was very ugly. She lived in a haunted house which was high up in the mountains. She had kept a pet wolf. You could hear its howling from far away. The wicked witch possessed a broom on which she could fly high up in the sky, and a dark black hat which she wore all the time. She had a big cauldron with bubbles boiling and a candle which lit her dark room. She would sit on her magic broom and fly high up in the sky, searching for naughty children. She was so ugly and evil that even bats got scared of her. On the other hand, the wizard, her husband, had a magic ball in which he could see all the naughty children misbehaving with their mommies. One day, they saw naughty Jack in the ball, who was misbehaving with his mother. He wanted her phone very badly. He did not want to eat food without the phone. Mommy kept telling him to stop, but he did not listen. His mommy got really angry and said, "You're not my son, just go away." The wizard and the witch found their dinner. They became very happy. They planned to kidnap Jack. They were going to eat him. The wicked witch sat on her broom and flew straight to Jack's house. She kidnapped him and took him to her haunted house. She said the magic words, "Abracadabra, Alakazam, you may turn into a rat." And there the boy turned into a squeaky rat. They kept the poor Jack, who was now a little mouse, into a cage and hung him from the rooftop. They put a cauldron beneath him so that they could cook him and eat him. Jack the mouse cried. He kept on crying until he could no longer cry. Oh wow! His tears turned into a tear fairy. She was very beautiful and had beautiful, lovely wings. She asked him, "What happened to you, little rat?" Jack replied, "I'm not a rat, I'm a boy. The witch turned me into a rat by magic." Jack told the fairy about his misbehavior with his mother. The tear fairy asked him to promise never to do this again, and she would help him. Jack promised. The wizard and the witch were night watchers. When the morning came, it was time for them to go to bed. It was time to release the naughty boy. Little Jack was looking here and there, hoping the tear fairy would arrive. Soon the tear fairy appeared, and she released the mouse with one little spell. She waved her wand once again, and the squeaky rat turned into little Jack again. She held Jack with both her hands, and they flew into the sky towards his home. Inside the house and ran towards his parents. "Mommy and Daddy, I'm here." They were very happy to see him and hugged him really tight. The night came again. It was time for the witch and the wizard to wake up. "What? What's going on? Where is he? I can't find him anywhere." Oh my god, their dinner had escaped. Where was he? They looked everywhere, but they could not find him. All they could see were his tears just beneath the cage. They understood. It was the work of the tear fairy. The witch and the wizard ran towards their magic ball to see what had happened. They saw the boy happily with his parents. They were sleeping soundly. The witch and the wizard got angry, but they were helpless because Jack had apologized his parents he would never misbehave again.